John Real Casimero. The last time he was in the UK, he beat Charlie Edwards, he knocked him out. He'll be looking to knock you out as well. What are you going to do to stop him?
I'm gonna break him.
This is my plan. 3 people. First, Regon Dogs finish.
Yep.
And second, Donaire. And next, Inoue.
Bago ang laban ni Cuadro Alas, Janriel Casimero, Kayuki Nori Oguni, ay atin munang panoorin bilang pampainit ang maangas na boksingero na tanging nang disrespect sa ating pambato na si Cuadro Alas at ang kinahantungan nito ating tunghayan kabady. Bago ang lahat ay pakisuportahan ang page na aking pinamagatang Sports Update at pakihit ang subscribe at bell button para lagi kang updated kabady. Maraming salamat. Ilang buwan noong matapos nga po na madepensahan ng ating pambato at tinaguri ang angas ng Pinas na si Janriel Casimero ang kanyang WBO Interim World Bantamweight title laban po sa Mexicanong warrior na si Cesar Ramirez na humantong sa isang 10th round knockout.
Oh, down, it's down, it's down! And I think it's out! It's over!
That's it.
Oh, what a
we knew it was
beautiful ending to this.
Ay nabigyan nga ito ng pagkakataong makasagupa sa isang world title fight noong Nobyembre 2019 na makaharap ang nooy kasalukuyang WBO Bantamweight Champion na nagmula pa ng South Africa na si Sulani the Lastborn Tete. Kakatuwa man kung iyong iisipin ang last name ng boksingerong ito kabady, pero hindi po biro ang performance nito pagdating sa loob ng ring. Dahil noong mga panahong ito ay siya po ang may hawak ng may pinakamabilis na knockout win sa isang world title fight nang patulugin nito ang kapwa South African fighter na si Siboniso Gonya sa loob lamang ng 11 segundo.
Man indeed. Oh, that's the reason why. Goodness me, first punch of the fight, and it's all over. He's knocked him unconscious. The fight is all over with the first punch of the fight. Extraordinary shot from Zolani.
Hindi basta-basta na boksingero si Tete dahil isa ito sa pinakamalakas na boksingero sa South Africa ng mga panahon na ito. At sa katunayan, 5 Pinoy na ang tinalo ng maangas na Afrikano na ito bago pa man ito makalaban ng ating pambato na si Cuadro Alas. At ito'y sina Rexon Flores, Richard Garcia, Edward Penerio, Jeter Oliva at ang panghuli ay si Arthur Villanueva kung saan nanalo si Tete via unanimous decision. At dahil sa mga tagumpay na ito, kaya naman sobrang kumpiyansa ang kampo ng South African champion dahil sa isang Pinoy lang ulit ang makakalaban nito at yun na nga ay si Casimero. Mantakin mo na hindi pa nga nagaganap ang laban at wala pang kasiguraduhan na mananalo si Tete kay Casimero ay niluluto na agad ng handler nito ang laban sa tinaguriang halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Isang malaking kawalan ng respeto at direktang pang-iinsulto nga po ito sa nooy possible pa lang natin na pambato na tila ba ay tinanggalan na ng karapatan si Casimero na makakuha ng isang malaking laban.
Respected when all this talk about other fights?
Palagay mo daw ba wala siyang respeto sa iyo kasi ang sinasabi at sinasabi ng lahat siya ang lalaban kay Inoue, parang naninigurado na?
Parang ayaw niya nang lalaban sa akin kasi gusto niya nang lalaban kay Inoue.
For him, he's talking about Inoue because he really hates to face him. He just wants to jump the gun and go to Inoue instead of passing to him.
Agad kay Inoue.
But he cannot do that. He is here. He believes he is here to upset in that plan of fighting Inoue.
Nangarap na siya na lalaban kay Inoue.
He's already dreaming of Inoue when in fact he has to really deal with reality. Janriel Casimero.
Dito sa akin lalaban, dito siya mababagsak.
Pero hindi nagpatalo sa pagmamaliit ng Afrikanong ito ang ating pambato dahil meron din itong mensahe sa kanya na talagang patutunayan ni Cuadro Alas pagdating ng laban.
Magandang laban to, magandang
It's gonna be a good fight. He will show the best he can show.
Itong laban na to kasi pinaghirapan namin sa training.
Because
May surprise na makikita.
It's gonna be a very surprising event because he will try to send Tete down on the ground.
Sleeping time.
Naganap po ang laban ng dalawang warrior sa arena Birmingham, West Midlands sa bansang United Kingdom at dito po ay susubukang depensahan ni Tete ang kanyang belt sa pangatlong pagkakataon na World Boxing Organization World Bantamweight title at sa unang round nga po ay ginamit na ni Tete ang kanyang height advantage at reach at tinatansya ang ating pambato para makuha ang rhythm at magdikta ng kanilang laban.
The Brighton. No, yeah, it just does enough. We commentated on last year. It was that fight last October, and that one wasn't it. He won by about a foot.
Or when he, as we said earlier, whipped that uppercut on the target.
He's the chief executive officer or something of Pacquiao Promotion. I'm not sure which it was.
Got too much experience just to rush in because he knows he'll walk. That's an advantage he always has over pretty much every fight.
Little bit at the moment.
Yeah, it is. You know, and again, Casimiro's trying to. Oh,
To Zalani Tete, the taller man.
that's it. No, I think it's a good. Oh, it is actually.
Pagsapit ng round 3, sa pag-aakalang kontrolado na niya ang kahahantungan ng laban ay doon nagkakamali ang South African fighter dahil sa isang hindi inaasahan ang mangyayari kung saan mapuputol ang 12-win streak na kanyang matagal nang iningatan dahil sa mahirap basahin ang estilo ng pakikipaglaban ng ating pambato na si Cuadro Alas.
Since September 2012. Oh, Casimiro got it. He's got him with a butt now. He's given his shot, was it?
No,
I'm
it was on
not
the chin.
sure.
It was. It was a short right hook to the chin.
And he's in trouble.
It's all over the place.
He's in real trouble. Tete's in a lot of trouble. And the referee wants to look at him. He's allowing it to continue. But can Casimiro take him out here? It happened so quickly. And he's still got a long way to go in this round. There's 1 minute 20 seconds. And Tete still looks unsteady. He's got to buy some time here and make Casimiro miss. Casimiro needs to pick his punches and he can't find a clean shot and he falls down. Tete. I don't think there was a punch which put him down. He just collapsed to the canvas.
He's not
Down
recovered from
Tete asking, is he okay? Casimiro wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish it he has. The title changes hands in sensational fashion. Zalani Tete stopped by John Riel Casimiro of the
Ang panalong ito ni Casimiro ang nagbigay sa kanya ng World Boxing Organization at World Bantamweight title. Itong panalo rin pong ito ang nagluklok kay Cuadro Alas bilang ika-4 na Pinoy na nagkampiyon sa 3 magkakaibang divisyon, kasunod ni Donnie Ahas Nietes at Nonito Donaire na parehas na 4th Division World Champion, at ang ating living legend na si Manny Pacquiao na tanging nag-iisang boksingero sa kasaysayan na nagkampiyon sa 8 magkakaibang divisyon. Kasunod ng panalong ito ay patuloy ang paghamon ni Cuadro Alas sa numero 1 boksingero ng bantamweight at tinaguriang halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue na hanggang sa kasalukuyan ay todo iwas pa rin sa mga hamon ng ating pambato.
You're a monster! Motherfucker!
Pinatunayan ni Casimiro na ang angas nito ay hindi lang po puro salita lamang at ang pagbabaliwala sa lakas ng Pinoy boxer ay siguradong maghahatid ng malaking disaster ng kahit sino mang boksingero sa mundo. Sana na-entertain ka kabady sa konteksto na ating tinalakay ngayon at suportahan natin sa darating nitong laban sa bansang Japan ang ating kasalukuyang pambato sa larangan ng suntukan. Wala nang iba kundi ang tinaguri ang angas ng Pinas na si John Riel Casimiro. Hanggang dito na lang muna kabady. Maraming salamat sa iyo at God bless.
นะครับเหมือนการชกในครั้งโอ้โหจังหวะนี้ครับโดนฮุกซ้าย
นาทีนะครับเริ่มฟื้นมากขึ้นแต่ว่ายกที่เหลือจะต้อง
โอ้โห
miedo escénico, ¿no? No a este nivel está. Con la derecha Casimiro, atención con la izquierda, lo tiene con la derecha, otra derecha, vas a la cabeza. Está nocaut, salta, atención.